Hey guys, come with me as I try El Camino food truck park. See how it is here in San Antonio, Texas. So thankfully between 8 and 6 you pay, but then after that is free. So I was able to park there for free and just walk probably 2 minutes to the food truck stands. If you're in the area, don't forget this fan. A little tree. Oh, this is the tree that lights up, right? They have. How cute is that one?
They like look like cookies. That's because it's trendy.
This is literally the cutest thing, guys. I'm on top of a food truck. So we just go right up the stairs here. There's all the other food trucks. And then there's 2 picnic tables. And we got the view of the San Antonio Riverwalk. Freaking adorable.
I don't like when it's too much. That's how you gain what? You said that's how you gain